So you want to learn just how to use Cash App? Well, I got you. So let's hop straight into the video. First, go ahead and download Cash App. Now, let's review the home screen. Up in the top right hand corner, you have your profile icon. Click on that. So at the top here, you have your profile name. This is what people will use to look you up. Then you'll see where you can add your profile photo and verify your identity. Now, you can also invite your friends and receive $5. To do this, hit allow and continue. You'll also need to allow access to your contacts. That way, you'll be able to search for whoever you would like to send or receive money from. And if you scroll down further, you'll see your account and settings. You can also link your bank account information, check security and privacy, and documents. And if you ever just need to chat with support, well, you can do this down here as well. Now back to the home screen. Let's say someone wants to pay you. We all know typing can be a hassle. Cash App has made it so that you can scan profiles instead of typing in your username. To do this, in the top left hand corner, click the outline. You'll want to hit allow camera. Now you can scan a profile or pull up your profile so that somebody else can scan. On the bottom here, we have 5 different icons. The home icon. And this is where you can put or withdraw money into savings. You can also buy Bitcoin and stocks through Cash App. You can also put cash onto your account. And to do this, you'll need to go to an approved location to do so. When you tap on an approved location, it'll show you the directions, show barcode, and copy address. Basically, all the information you would need to perform the transaction. Up next is your card. With a Cash App card, you can save instantly on everyday purchases. Show off your style by designing a custom card and control your money like direct deposit, ATM access, and so much more. But most importantly, they'll keep your money safe with built-in friendly protection locking. And if you want to start investing, Cash App can round up spare change from purchases and invest that for you. Now, how to pay someone. It's really simple. Type in the amount you would like to pay or send, then select your currency and hit pay. Then select who you would like to pay. Add in a note, that way you can look back at it. It's that simple. You could also send your payment in the form of a gift card. Now, for the search icon. This is practically the exact same thing as using the barcode method, except all you do now to find someone is type in their username. Now, if you scroll down further, you'll see recommended offers that are available to you with your Cash App card. And that's how to use the Cash app. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And see you next time. Bye, guys.